What are you going to say? That's me talking, not the black box. What are you going to say? You get the hiccups. Yeah, you do. You're 9 weeks old now. And Santa Claus is coming on Sunday when you're 10 weeks old. Coo. Coo, coo, coo. 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 That's a nice thing to say. What else can you say? What else? Coo. Can you say anything else? Can you say, I love mummy? That's a bit hard, isn't it? You got the hiccups. Yeah. Cute. Cool. Bye-bye, baby girl.